Let's make Excel a breeze with some handy keyword shortcuts. These simple commands will help you zip around your spreadsheet like a pro, saving time and effort along the way. Control plus Home. When you press Control and Home together, you go right to the beginning of your worksheet. No more endless scrolling to find where you began. Just one click and you are there. Control plus End. Need to jump to the end of your data? Press Control plus End. It swiftly takes you to the very last used cell in your worksheet, saving you from tedious scrolling. Control plus Shift plus End. When you quickly want to select all your data, this shortcut is your friend. It picks everything within the area where you have put your information, which is great for handling big sets of data easily. Control plus Up or Down arrow. This cool shortcut makes switching between worksheets super easy. Just press Control and either the up or down arrow to move between sheets effortlessly. These shortcuts may seem small, but they will make a big difference in your Excel experience. So next time you're crunching numbers, keep these tricks in mind. They will help you work smarter, not harder. For any Excel help, give us a shout anytime. Happy spreadsheeting.